Say what you want about this team, but we want it.
It's actually swung really good.
Yeah, no, we got lucky. The conditions, you know, anticipated a bump. Didn't get bumped or dumped.
Well, it did get bumped, but didn't get brown.
No, not too brown. So pretty solid.
I mean, I think we have a good shot today.
I do too. Great shot. It's looking good. You know, sometimes when you know that seam is on that far side, you gotta shoot it down, keep it low, let it get real ugly. I mean, that's the only real spot before it drops into this bucket. Ooh, coho rolled down there. Oh yeah, big rockfish. I'm guiding Paul in today, moving his boat down for him, you know, being a nice friend. Gotta feel bad for a guy, you know, never catching fish. Remember, there's also that bucket we pulled in on this side last time and fished into that bucket. Do you think we should do that again, or should we just roll?
What did you think of it?
I mean, these fish in this river, I think, like bucket. Small water, pretty clear.
How do you like fishing clear water, smaller fly?
This size of water, I do think, you know, we've seen these fish. They're smaller too, generally. We've had better luck with kind of winter colored summer traditional flies.
On shanks.
On shanks, exactly.
How many inches?
Oh gosh, like 1.5. Like an inch long sometimes. Caught them on Babine specials.
The caliber you're comfortable handling.
An inch. It's a fly I can actually cast.
I like this Reddington getup, dude.
Dude, this thing's new,
I can
man.
tell you're hunting for sponsors.
This thing's new.
Corker's hat, Reddington jacket, Reddington waders.
Best value boot for the money. I'm repping a pair today.
Thanks, Reddington. An upstream Perry poke. Nice, dude. So the people have been wanting to know, what's your favorite cast?
Single.
Because it's the only cast?
That could have been something right there.
Oh, here we go. I'm getting eaten right now. You see my line going? I'm gonna see if I can make it do it again. Happening again, dude. Yeah.
There you go. Paul's bringing my boat. Oh, struggling with the oars though. Little decency. Gotta like seeing that.
He's working me a little bit. Feels good to have a bite. It was entertaining because he took on the strip.
JK bully.
Here we go.
Out here getting bullied, dude. Nice bull. Good size bull.
A little bit of action at least.
Always good to get into something. And the juice, man.
Yeah. Cheers to that. Oh, I just got ripped. Nice rip. Not bottom, like pull, turn. It's funny, I've actually had lots of action today. I've got ripped quite a few times. Yeah, let's fish it down as far as we can, and then I think we do refish it.